everybody, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and it is September the 10th. It is National Idea Swap Day, so put your thinking hats on, and let's get started. So this is a great day for you to think about ways you can do things better, or teach someone else to do something, okay? So, you can teach them how to write cursive. You can teach them your favorite way to read a book using the 5-finger method. You can come up with new ideas of how to take notes. You can come up with new ideas how to do tricks on your bike, but be careful. And you can do new ideas of what we should do during recess with our social distancing, right? So there are many, many things that you can think about that you can swap ideas over. All right? So you can swap on Zoom with your teacher's permission. You can swap in the classroom with your teacher's permission. And you can swap with your family and friends in the neighborhood. Make sure you're social distancing, please. So, let's put our thinking hats on and let's come up with an idea. All right, guys. You have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.